video we are off to see Steve at PVE to get the Escort finally tuned. I think going to the dyno is probably, other than actually driving the cars, it's probably my second favourite thing to do with a car. I don't really know why. It's just fun getting to see it sort of all plugged in and being torture tested. So yeah, checked everything over, should be good to go. Hopefully we don't have any disasters. You can get your guesses in for what power it's going to make now. We're going to have two maps on it, high and low boost, so it will have a nice mellow map and then something a bit more mad. So yeah, I will check in when we get there.
Ah, Deekers.
Don't go caressing my electrical connectors.
Oh no, oh no.
Right, so this was the first dyno pull to see where we were at, and the result of this was a real surprise to me. I'd predicted we were around sort of 220, 230 where it was, and this was the result, 175 horsepower. At this point, Steve sort of had a look at the fueling and said that there wouldn't really be much that could be tuned around to correct that drop off where it just completely plummets at 5,500 RPM. And you can see this was the previous place it was dynoed at. They've cut the graph off just after 5,500, so you don't see it drop off. But basically he said there's either a big inefficiency in the engine up high, or it could be a cam timing issue. So given that I've got an adjustable cam pulley on the front, and the fact that it was set exactly on the zero, which sort of indicated that maybe nobody had tried to play around with it before, we decided to retard the cam timing by quite a big swing. So that's an extra 25 horsepower, and we've moved the peak up in the rev range 750 RPM, so we'll just carry on going in that direction.
Right though, makes sense in my mind.
Where did we get with that? Very rarely do you do 4 runs and gain oh dear, Netflix, I wish. Do 4 runs and gain yourself 30 horsepower, mate. You've done alright there. Right, so we need to shove a bit of fuel in, don't we?
Gain all the way up through there.
Yeah, cheeky. We'll do some slow runs in a bit, mate, and just get some data out of them, but all we've done there is change cam timing and fueling, no ignition timing, same boost pressure. Just goes to show, mate, doesn't it, the importance of it all.
What's that? That's 40 horsepower.
40 horsepower, and that curve is just significant everywhere, isn't it? Started this is the first run. Oh, you're filming me now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You're live. Go.
Hang on, then. Let me just move this. So pink line is when you turned up.
Yeah.
Although we started the run early because we were just trying to get some data out of it because the AFRs were all over the place, weren't they? And just fell off really early. Then we decided we'd change the cam timing, didn't we? Which you did. And then this green line is the exact same boost pressure as this pink one, and in fact all we've done is change fueling, no timing changes at all. So peak power is now 6,250, whereas previously it was 5.5, so we've extended that and clearly made a whole shitload of power here. And then this is just your extra boost pressure there. No. Either way, mate, I think that's most of your gains there. You've had more gains through setting the cam timing correctly because it was all knackered than you have through tuning it and putting some boost pressure in. So just goes to show, you know, what's the difference there? 6,250, you know, you're up like 100 horsepower.
Yeah.
I reckon you'll feel that.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Happy?
Yeah, well happy. That's wheel horsepower,
That's
is
wheel.
it?
Oh, do you want flywheel or wheel?
Put flywheel on there. Bigger's better.
It's bigger numbers, isn't it?
Spot on, mate.
Happy enough?
Yeah.
Hit the print button.
That's alright, I want you in it. Right, first time testing this out in the dry-ish. It's not fully dry, but this is low boost. So much more linear. I was kind of amazed when he did that first dyno pull and said that it was only making 170 something horsepower, but the torque, you didn't actually get to see the torque curve, but the torque was just this huge spike early on, and it doesn't have that now that we moved the cam time in. And it just pulls smooth all the way up through the rev range. It's just night and day nicer to drive. Doesn't feel scary or sketchy because you haven't got that torque just like breaking the I want to have a go in high boost, but this road's a bit wet. So that's 0.8 bar, flick of a button. Woo! I think we'll put that back in mellow mode. Don't want to end up on the roof before someone wins it. Right, so there we go. We got 220 or 250 horsepower at the flick of a button. The P is 270 horsepower, and I would say this at 250 feels faster because it makes more torque, and that's what gives you that, like, it throws you back in the seat. You'll just have to believe me when I say that 250 horsepower in this is more than enough. Whether it ever made 308 or whatever it was claimed to be before, I'm not sure. Every dyno you go to, you know, you'd end up with a different reading. I think the main thing is when you go there is that whatever you start with, you end up with an improvement, and you know, we've had a massive improvement with performance and drivability with this, so I couldn't be happier with the result of it. Massive thanks to Steve as always. Give him a shout if you need anything tuning. And yeah, if you want to win this, all the details are here. I'll be updating my website with how many tickets are sold. There's always going to be a discount code or special offer code on the website, so make sure you use that. You'll get a free ticket or something, some little bonus. So yeah, good luck to everyone that's entered. That's going to be it for this one. Cheers for watching. See you on the next one.